Go. Hello, what? Hello, people, yellow creepers, and today we're going to install MegaMod for Minecraft 1.5.0. Is the first mod pack I believe that has 1.5.1, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. It has like 39 mods installed. I bet that's more mods than I think it's not almost better than Feed the Beast, but at least it's updated. It has like whole tons of mods. So I'll go and teach you guys how to install it. First, we're going to go to my website. Is megabigjj.wordpress.com. Let's go to MegaMod. And we're going to click this link right here. Okay, we're going to skip the ad. Alright, right here is going to say megamod installer.zip, and we're going to download it. I'll stop the download because I already downloaded it. Plus, I'm the creator. I already have it. So let's go to the Dropbox here. Let's go to my Dropbox here, and you're gonna see MegaMod installer. We're going to run it with WinRAR archiver. All right, now you want to drag and drop a MegaMod installer. Okay, now we're going to run open the folder, go to install. Alright, and let's go ahead and minimize this. Actually, we'll close this. Okay, we're going to have to need a completely freshed out Minecraft. So if we go to %app data %, you'll go to see this roaming folder here, and go ahead and click on .minecraft and select. Make sure you have a backup for your Minecraft. So select all these mods, copy them to a different folder, and delete them, and delete it. All right. Now we got a completely fresh Minecraft, so we're going to log in. Now it's going to update Minecraft. So alright, here we go. See, Minecraft 1.5.1, and we're going to close it. Now we're going to run MegaMod installer. I'm going to click on install. It's going to say extracting all of these class files. It's going to extract all these class files, all the textures and whatnot. And we're going to click on yes if we're going to delete meta. do you want to install mod loader? Click on yes, even though mod loader is Minecraft Forge, so I'm going to click on yes. And do you want to install audio mod? No, because Minecraft Forge will do that for us. Okay, it's going to clean up here. Okay, now it's going to say done, and we're going to close it. We're going to close the installer, and we're going to run Minecraft. I'm going to log in. Now it's going to say it's going to set up your Minecraft environments. Do not close this or do not stop it. Just leave it be. It needs to do this. It needs to do this. Oh yeah, one thing to mention. This mod pack has a lot of mods, so you might have to change some of the controls. Also, this mod pack tends to have a long loading loading. Also, it may take a while to set up a brand new world, so you can extract your saves. You can load your Minecraft saves. Oh, come on. If it says Minecraft not responding, this game won't even be. It's just very slow. Or we have to learn Minecraft again. Okay, here we go. See, 39 mods installed. So far it only has like a couple worlds. Not a couple worlds. What? Like 4.5 pages. 4.5 pages of mods. Alright, now we should have MegaMod installed. I recommend let's go to our options and change our video settings, because the first time you're going to run this, it's going to be very laggy. So I recommend you turn on these settings. Go graphics fancy, smooth line maximum. Leave rest of the default, but you want to turn on render distance to normal, and you want to get max performance is max FPS to boost your FPS. We're going to go to our let's see, delete okay, we're going to open our task manager here. Go to applications. Go to Minecraft, go to process, and you change priority to real time or high, depending your admin of your PC or not. Yeah, so that's how you install it. So thanks guys for watching. Oh yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Also, if this is running You can also install Optifine, so for this mod. So you can do that if you want. That's optional. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.